Okay guys, so today we are going to do our shapes and forms with our sepia tone neutral brown color palette. We're going to be doing a sphere, a cylinder, a cone, and a cube. Start by choosing your warm mid-tone for your brown. I call this my burnt sienna. Cover your entire surface with this tone, and then use the meat of your thumb to spread that all around. This is going to be our background color. Use the eraser to draw in your objects. We're going to be working a little bit different than before, where our eraser is our drawing tool. Erase in the highlight using that eraser. You can either use a pencil top eraser or a kneaded eraser. Next, you're going to add in a little bit of your burnt umber, that is your darker brown tone, as your core shadow, the shadow on the object. Create a smooth transition between your core shadow and your highlight. Don't forget to add a little bit more of that burnt sienna, that mid-tone, to again create that smooth transition. For our cast shadow, we're going to use that burnt umber once again, and adding a white, just so that our highlights really pop. I'm going to add that white in that upper right-hand corner, as well as in between my core shadow and cast shadow. This is called my reflective light. Light bounces off the tabletop and back onto our objects, creating that tiny sliver of light you see between our two shadows. The final stage is just touch-ups using that mid-tone, and you are all done. Repeat this process for each of the forms. Again, step 1, draw the object using your eraser. Add in that burnt umber or darker tone for the cast shadow. Add in the eraser for the highlight. A little bit of burnt umber and the burnt sienna for your mid-tone and core shadow. And create a smooth transition of values between that core shadow and the mid-tone. Okie dokie, guys. So you should get this process down. Again, repeat for your cube and your cone. Feel free to ask me any questions, and good luck.